Today's silent candlelight peace rally is organized under the aegis of the Women's Commission of the Diocese of Agartala, inviting all the goodwill citizens of this capital city to join us to protest against the violence that is ongoing for nearly 3 months in the state of Manipur. Communities fighting, violence being unleashed on innocent citizens, and also atrocities being committed against the women. We consider these are unworthy of any civilized society, and therefore we have come out in numbers to silently register our protest and to seek for an end to this violence that is ongoing in the neighboring state of Manipur. We also appeal to the government authorities to ensure that this violence is brought to an end as early as possible. We have been seeing, we have been witnessing, we have been hearing deplorable stories of how innocent lives are being affected, how families and communities are being shattered, and this is something which we can see and keep quiet about. Therefore, we have come out into the public today to register our protest and also to demand that this be stopped, because this is a country where every human being has the right to exist. This is a country that is characterized by its diversity in all aspects, in cultures, in religions, in castes, in tribe, and therefore everyone has an equal right to live as equal citizens in this country. We firmly believe in this, and therefore today's program, this candlelit silent march, is a symbolic action that we have taken under the aegis of the Diocese of Agartala, and particularly the Women's Commission of the Diocese of Agartala. We thank all those who have come out in large numbers today to be part of this program. Thank you very much.
How many organizations is here today?
We have thrown open this invitation to all people, irrespective of any limitations, and kept it as an open invitation to whoever is willing to join us. The program is being organized under the Women's Commission of the Diocese of Agartala, and as we have seen, many organizations and peoples and individuals and institutions have come out today. Schools, colleges, educational institutions, they have come out irrespective of religion, irrespective of culture, caste, creed. They have come out today to support this good cause, and this is something that shows to us deep within all of us. There is a desire and an urging for peace, for harmony, for coexistence, and that is what we uphold, that is what we all want. Thank you.
Actually, we are seeing today that all of the members are belongs to Christian community.
No.
Link between their in Manipur incident or today's rally.
No, I think that is something you are seeing into this. It is not reflecting the reality, because there are people here who belong to various religions. There are people who belong to various cultures, and we have not put any restrictions on the basis of any criteria. This is a program that is open to everyone, and participation proves that.
Good name.
I am Father Joseph Pulindanath, the spokesperson for the Diocese of Agartala.
Thank you.